Good morning, children. Today we will begin our day with English and we will learn a new sound. So, are you all ready? Good. Let's begin.
So, children, today we will hear a story about these two vowels. They are O and A. O says O. A says A. But here they will make a new sound. So, let's hear the story. One day, when O and A were walking, O was very fast. A called O, and O stopped by. And A requested O, "Can we walk together?" O replied, "Okay." So they are walking on the road. R-O-D. But you must be wondering, why did ma'am only say O and not A? Because children, always remember, when two vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. So which is the first vowel here? O. So who will do the talking? O. So we will read it again. R-O-D. Road. Now you all know they are walking together. While walking, they saw a sign which said, "Say the sound." Now, O and A, what is the sound they make together? Yes, they make O. Now, can you see the tree? Yes. Now, can you tell me which tree is this? This is oak tree. Which tree is this? Oak tree. Oak. Oak tree. Now, while they are walking together, they saw a goat. G-O-T. Goat. And suddenly they could hear the sound. Croak, croak. K-R-O-K. Croak. Now can you tell me who makes the sound croak, croak? Yes, a frog. But this is not a frog. This is a baby frog. And what do you call the baby frog? You call toad. What do we call? We call it toad. T-O-D. Toad. Now, all of them took a boat ride. B-O-T. Boat. And the goat was feeling cold. So, can you see what did it wear? Yes, the goat wore a coat. K-O-T. Coat. And they were all hungry. So they wanted to eat something. So they thought, okay, we are carrying few toast, which we can eat now. So let's read the toast together. T-O-S-T. Toast. And you all know a boat can float. Yes, it is floating on the water. F-L-O-T. Float. So you all know so many O-A words. And you also know when two vowels go walking, who does the talking? Yes, the first vowel does the talking. So when O and A goes for walk, who will do the talk? Yes, O will do the talk. So we make the sound O. What is the sound? Repeat after me. O-A makes O.
So children, now quickly go get this sheet from your busy bag. Now let's see what is written here. Goat, goat, and toad. Can you hear the sound? Goat and toad? Yes. So today we will read a poem with the sound O. Goat, toad. Now let's read it. The goat in the boat put on his coat and sailed across the sea. We'll repeat once more. The goat in the boat. Can you see the boat, children? Yes. The goat is in the boat. Put on his coat. So can you see the coat? Yes. And sailed across the sea. And sailed across the sea. So you can read the poem. Now next. The toad on the road. The toad on the road said croak, croak, croak. Croak, croak, croak. What shall we have for tea? So children, can you see the toad here? Yes. What is a toad? Yes, you all know toad is a baby frog. Young ones, you remember? We have learned about young ones. Yes, toad is the young one of frog. Now, where is the toad? The toad is on the road, making the sound croak, croak, croak. What shall we have for tea? So children, now that you know two poems with the sound O-A, which makes the sound O. And you all know when two vowels walk together, what is the sound it makes? Yes, the first vowel makes the sound. So when O and A walks together, which sound you can hear? Yes, you can hear O. So now, can you see few words written here? Now we will read these words. G-O-T, goat. Can you see? O-A, which is the sound we are making? O. Very good. Again, G-O-T, goat. R-O-D, road. K-O-T, coat. T-O-D, toad. B-O-T, boat. K-R-O-K, croak. So children, now you know so many words where you can hear the sound O. So children, now we can see few sight words also. Let's read it. Sailed. Repeat with me. Sailed. Across. Across. So you can read two sight words also here. So children, now you know so many OA words. You will practice reading. You will also practice reading the two poems we just read together. Now, I will ask you few questions. You will answer these in your videos and send it to me. Where is the goat? Where is the toad? What does a toad say? Where does it live? So you will answer these questions, make video and send it to me.